You ever seen a horse snore like a grandpa after Thanksgiving dinner? Well, this woman just shared the cutest video of her and her horse taking a nap together, side by side. And not just any nap, we're talking full-on, mouth open, deep sleep nap. Yep, that wasn't the woman. That was the horse. And the best part? She loved it. She wakes up, hears this noise, and instead of being startled, she starts giggling.
Under your head.
Like it's the sweetest sound in the world. I mean, who needs white noise when you've got 1,200 pounds of pure bedtime harmony? Honestly, it's weirdly wholesome. Snoring soulmates, y'all. Proof that love comes in all forms, and sometimes snores. Hit like if you'd nap with a snoring horse.